The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. A hangar containing foreign-made Ukrainian military equipment was destroyed by a high-precision strike of the Russian aerospace forces close to Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region. At Zaporozhye direction, Ukrainian forces in small groups attempted to attack Russian positions in the vicinity heights near Vremevka. The Russian troops successfully repulsed all the attacks. The enemy was driven back to their initial positions. More than 40 Ukrainian personnel were neutralized, as well as 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 5 Ukrainian pickup trucks. In total, 324 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,302 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,939 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,513 field artillery cannons and motors, 6,685 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.